Good morning, students. This is English reader book for class 8th. The subject is English LIT. This is for the session of 2020 or 2021. So, let's read English LIT chapter number 1. Chapter number 1. The chapter's name is Autumn Beauty. It is a beautiful poem written by Linda Christensen. She is the director of Organ Writing Project, and this is poem for autumn season. In this poem, the poetess describes that what happened in autumn season and how everybody enjoy this season. So let's start. Linda Christensen is the director of Oregon Writing Project, a part of National Writing Project. In this poem, she explains the beauty of autumn season. In the autumn season, rain falls gently and children feel happy and laugh merrily. Let's start the poem. So, read the poem carefully. The rain falls gently, quenching the thirst of a landscape pushed by the rays of the hot summer sun. The song of the birds is now silenced. The petals of a once brilliant flower have faded. A bright azure sky with soft white clouds is gone, replaced by the grey dampness of the season. In this passage, some tough words, their meanings are quenching, peace or calmness, thirst means feel a need to drink something or carving. Petals means leaf or flower blades. Silenced, silence means cause to become silent. Azure means bright blue in color, and dampness means moisture or wetness. The caressing breeze of summer has turned into the blustering winds of fall. Leaves once proudly perched on the limbs of trees now dance gaily through the air, brightly colored in the warm tones of autumn. Caressing means touch or stroke gently or laugh. Blustering means intimidate or talk aloud. Warm means of or at a fairly or comfortably high temperature. Crackling means make a rapid succession of slight crackling noise. Children laughing merrily on their way as they hear the crackling sound of leaves beneath their feet. A jack-o'-lantern sits in the window, showing a wide, toothless grin or scowling frown. Scowling means frown in an angry or bad-tempered way. And a frown means scolding. Snapping, the snapping of pitch from a burning log, the faint scent of pine filling the room, flames leaping about as if it were a ballet performing for its audience, the soft, comforting glow of candlelight, bringing with it serenity and quiet thoughts. Okay, snapping means ease the grief or distress of console. I sit in amazement watching all that is around me. Yes, there is a God. Only He could have made the wonders I see before me. I will accept the solitude and indifference of winter so I may anticipate and appreciate their birth of spring. The word amazement, a feeling of great surprise. Solitude. Solitude means the state or situation of being alone. And the word anticipate means against. So read this poem one or two times and write the word meaning and tough words of this chapter in your notebook. Thank you.